Frodo, bring forth the One Ring. This cannot stay here. It must be destroyed.
Put the ring down. I will destroy it myself.
It can't be done. You fool.
The ring cannot be destroyed by mere craft-made weapons, Gimli, son of whoever the hell. Must be destroyed in the very fire of Mount Doom. The ring cannot stay here.
We must take it there at once.
As long as you can make it back
One
before
does
dinner.
not simply walk into Mordor. There's evil there that does not sleep.
But who can resist the power of the ring? Mr. Frodo, will you take the burden?
Yes, I will.
Huzzah! We take it to Mount Doom.
You have my AK. My G36.
My famas.
You have my gun. You have my sword.
And my M4!
Hello folks, welcome to another episode of gameplay here on Airsoft Ninja's channel, where I will give you footage, reviews, and strategies on airsoft parks and events in Southern California and beyond. And today I am at Velocity Airsoft, which is one of my favorite parks in San Diego, if not my favorite. I am hosting Lord of the Rings Airsofts, the first of its kind. And today was actually a really successful day, although we didn't have any sponsors came out and we didn't have them setting up booths or setting out raffles and whatnot. Still, a bunch of people came, and that just goes to show you how great it can be. This event will return at around Thanksgiving this year, so please stay tuned to my Facebook and my YouTube to find out when exactly it will return. I'm thinking about hosting this particular game twice a year, and it will only be hosted here at Velocity. If you have never been to Velocity before, I highly encourage you to go there. They host their airsoft games just about every other Sunday. Their fourth Sunday is their most busy airsoft day, so stay tuned to that. So in this particular game there were lots of rules. But it all comes down to the good guys are trying to drop off the One Ring at Mordor. The bad guys are trying to capture all the forts. Throughout the entire day we've played several games, and each time the players alternate between the good guys and the bad guys. It was fun for players to try both sides of the stick. At least one time the good guys were able to transfer the One Ring all the way to Mordor and end the game. And at least one time the bad guys was able to capture all the forts and win the game that way. So that was rather fun. But here are the more complicated rules, just so next time when this game's hosted, you know what's up. So there are two factions, and each of them have forts. The good guys will have Rivendell, and the bad guys will have Mordor as their hard respawns. Meanwhile, the good guys can capture Helms and Minas to get closer to Mordor, while the bad guys can control Moria and Isengard. However, the opposing faction cannot capture the other faction's base. They can only prevent the other team from getting it. So that put a little bit of a twist. Next time I rehost this, it may be different. Just stay into it. Now, perhaps the one thing that sets this game aside from all the other games, events, is the Witch King. The Witch King will be chasing you around with a big sword and a big flail, just chasing everyone around. And you cannot kill him except with a melee weapon. And since you're carrying a gun, it's really hard to kill the Witch King on melee, unless you have a shield, which most people at the event, the only way they were able to kill the Witch King was to either gang up on him or to try to kill him with the shield. And here Stephen just got killed by the Witch King. Since the Witch King was such an overpowering character, you have to add another melee invincible character over to the good guy's side, which we decide to add in Arad or whoever favorite melee character in Lord of the Rings think of. I don't care if you even call him Agent Smith. Originally, we were also gonna have the Eagles and the Nazgûls to act as troop transport, but we didn't have over 200 people, so we scrapped that rule. Perhaps next time we will. Also, at one point, we had the good guys to have fellowship instead of a melee character, and they would act as medics. That didn't work out extremely well either. So next time around, you can be sure the event will be perfect. Well, that's about it for the rules. With no further ado, let's go get straight to the footage. Enjoy!
The flag down. Alright, let's keep going! Alright guys, come on. Stay with us, stay with us. We gotta capture Helms Deep. Witch King! Witch King! Witch King is down! Now to your 1 o'clock. Shoot up, shoot up. Yep. Stay low, stay low. Yeah, we need to deny them. Witch King! 86! Yeah! Ah! You can't steal his weapon. Ah! Stay low, stay low. Keep going, keep going. Shoot. Shield in front. Yeah, there's a guy behind that shield. Yes! Stab him! Shoot, shoot, shoot. Shoot. Can't hit that ball. Hit! Good hit, good hit! Those Urukites, the shields are broad! Stand, don't move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shoot, let's cover for this guy. He's good, he's down. Okay, put your gun on my shoulder and one hand on my other shoulder. Yeah, and put it like that. Yeah.
Move up to that part there.
Okay. Watch out for this guy. Yeah! Yeah! Hit! Good hit, good hit! Uh-oh, which king, which king, which king? Shoot.
He's over there. Witch King right there.
Where's the Witch King?
He's right there, he's right there.
Yeah! Someone stab him! Stab him! Stab him! Cover fire on this side. You. Cover fire on this side. Okay. Shoot. Yeah! Yeah! Alright guys, come on, let's go! Move, 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 move! Yeah! 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 Head! Woo! Come on! Hurry and get up here! All of you, hurry and get up here! Okay. No, they're just resting. We need to charge up the hill, but we need this base. They are? Who? Oh. No, it's not game. What's going on here? You guys won? Move, 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 move! Get Isengard fast! Looks hung steep. Keep pushing. Yes, 1 hour. Okay.
I just took out like 4 of them.
Getting them on Aaron. Get ready. Round up behind them. Dead. Right? Oh, changing. Yep. Capture all the forts. No, it's not. We only got 2 more forts to get. We already denied the 2 forts. We got 1 of our forts. We'll capture 1 more fort and then kill Rivendell. Well, we only need to capture Rivendell and that's it. Okay, let's get him. Yeah!
He's dead already.
Oh,
Yeah, I was actually dead.
let's get that fort. That's it? Do you guys have either... Well, I know you guys don't have Helms Deep, do you? Oh.
We have nothing. So,
Technically, we won.
Team won.
Yeah.
That's good!
I'm... Ah. Red and blue. Go, yeah! Yeah. Ah.
Five lives!
And that pretty much wraps it for today's video. Thanks for watching. It was an excellent time at Lord of the Rings Airsoft. I can't wait to host it again. Also, the next video will be on Code Red Zombie, the very last one at their current location, so please stay tuned. And also, my team is hosting yet another event at Camp Pendleton Airsoft. It's gonna be on June 6th and it will be a blast. Please like, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. Airsoft Ninja, clocking out.